Good morning, traders. Welcome to followmetrades.com Real Traders Club live session on Tuesday, October 10th, 2023. Eric, good morning to you. Sergio, good morning to you. Appreciate your greetings. Glad to have you here and everyone else. Mark, good morning. We got more folks logging in. Market's open. Ref, good morning to you. What's going on here? We like to look here at the CNBC dashboard. Great summary. What the markets are doing, what the headlines are, what's moving the market, what the news is. Green, Dow is up 0.25%, quarter percent. S&P 0.42. That's about the most news, at least economic news. There's lots of other news. Of course, the conflict in Israel continues. Yesterday, Monday morning, the market opened down, but then kind of got over that and ended up with a pretty strong day up. And oil has had spiked about 3%. It's pulled back, so it's down below the highs from a few weeks ago. Still, not a lot going on right now. We do have earnings season kicking off toward the end of this week. I think it's Thursday. Fastenal leads out, one of the first big companies to report. So we'll see how that's going. I expect some strong results for Q3, and then as we talked about, Q4 results might start to be affected by the student loan payment resumptions. About a half point of GDP is the estimate. That's all way out in front of us. Of course, the next Fed meeting is weeks away. So here we are in the middle of October, kind of an erratic month, sometimes hard to trade. Let's look at the S&P 500 daily chart. It came down to the 200-day moving average. It's moving up. It's still under the cloud. It's under the 50-day moving average. We got some resistance above here. It's a little hard to get excited about going long. We are in a secular wave 5 bull market, but that doesn't mean in the short term continued strong moves up. It's just a little bit difficult. So we're being careful. No open trades at the moment. And we are looking for any great candidates. Look at this strength in Uber. This is interesting today. It's a bit of a channel top here, but it looks like, this move up and down. Now it's up, maybe up to here, maybe beyond. So that's not a bad candidate. And earnings are out here. I think this one's got a question mark, but I think that's about the right. So there's time. And DraftKings. Look at this one. DraftKings is even better. It had this higher low and pushing on to a new high. You got a high up here, got earnings out here. So those two actually look really, really nice. So I will evaluate those further, but we could take those trades. Been watching them a long time. I actually and use them as vehicles for an experiment for a new method that I'm looking at, but they are looking like good swing trade candidates at the moment. And we were tracking AT&T. We took it off the watch list because it had just gone down too low. But we'll see. It's creeping up. Not great at all. That's a quick view of the market. Some trade candidates, and then we've got many more on the watch list. So let's look at MJ for a big move up off the bottom and then gave a lot of it back, finding support. This retracement, if you were looking at this as a short-term wave and a wave, retracement was too deep. So it's a little tough to apply our typical rules, Elliott waves, to this one. Percentage-wise, that could be big though, but it's not conforming at the moment. Still think it's a good long-term hold. Shiv's talked about that. But in terms of swing trading, that one's a little difficult. And